So this is exactly how to fix OBS Studio video capture device not showing video capture. So basically the reason why it's not happening is because you have to go into the console or the thing that you're trying to stream through the video capture card to your OBS, go into that specific console and then go into settings and then for example system here and then HDMI. You need to turn off the HDCP. If this one is not turned off on your console, it will not work. So turn this one off. And once you have that turned off, you need to then take your video capture card and the other end of the HDMI cable, you need to stuck it in there, and this end obviously goes to your console as an example. But yeah, you can see this is my video game capture device here. And then go into OBS, of course. I'm just gonna make sure you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Just gonna zoom in here. Click on the plus symbol in the bottom left corner, click on video capture device, click on OK. And then click on device, and now you can click on your capture card right here, as you can see. Scroll down here, and this one right here, make sure it's set to output desktop audio, click on OK. And now you can see it's working. You can also right click here on your PC or laptop, and then we need to click on open source projector here. And we have a complete screen here, as you can see. And yeah, you can see it works now without any problems whatsoever. This is basically exactly how to actually fix this.